It's a brand new emergence. It's my heart skipping now, reacting. Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and I recently was taking a look back on some of my previous videos. And on this channel we focus on treats themed towards music, movies, and more. And one of the biggest genres of music is country music. And we haven't done anything themed towards country music on this channel. So today we're going to change that because there are a lot of holiday country songs like You Make It Feel Like Christmas, You Make It Feel Like Christmas. There's Luke Bryan country music, and Carrie Underwood. And not everyone everywhere has a white Christmas. So today we're going to be making some Christmas-inspired country treats. We're going to be making some cactus cookies that we're going to put into a pot and decorate them like you would a Christmas tree. The ingredients for this recipe are sugar cookies cut out into cactus shapes, brownies, crushed Oreos. To decorate you'll need some multicolored hard ball candies, some lime green Jimmy sprinkles, and some lime green and black royal icing. And to assemble our cactus cookies, we're actually going to put them into these cute flower pots. I just found all three of these at the dollar store, and I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to use these same ones too. The first thing we're going to do is to ice our cookies. To make these sugar cookies, I use my go-to sugar cookie recipe, which I've featured in the Ariana Grande Thank You Next cookies, and I'll put a link in the description below to those, and it should also be popping up right about here. I just followed all the same steps, except I didn't color any of the batter and then cut them into cactus shapes. To ice these cookies, start by piping a border around the entire cactus, and then fill it in. You can use a toothpick to help you smooth it out. Once your cacti are completely filled in with icing, then take your green jimmies and add a few here and there to look like the spikes on a cactus. Then, using your black royal icing, pipe on some zigzag lines to act as the light strand, and finish it off with some of your multicolored hard candies to look like little ornaments or little light bulbs. I just set our cacti cookies off to the side, and now we can start to work on our dirt, or what we're going to fill the pots with. Over here I've got our brownies, and I've just got a larger bowl, and we're just going to take a fork and just kind of crumble up our brownies. Our cookies are all iced and our brownies are crumbled, so now we can start to assemble this. But before we do that, I want to do one more thing, and that is to line the inside of our pots with some plastic wrap. This will just ensure that there are no chemicals or anything in the pot that will come in contact with the food, and it also helps make sure nothing escapes and is easier to clean up. Just take some plastic wrap and cut it into strips and layer it into your pot. Then take a kitchen scissor and cut off any of the extra. So our pots are all lined with the plastic wrap, and now we can start to assemble them. To assemble these pots, start by taking some of your brownie crumbles, and just like you would a normal plant, press it down into the pot. Then, using the back of a knife or a popsicle stick, make an insert so that your cookie can slide in. Add on the cookie, and then sprinkle the top with some Oreo crumbs. And here we have them, our country-themed Christmas cactus cookies, wow that was hard to say, that we made today. We took brownies and sugar cookies, two of my favorite sweet treats, and turned them into these cute cacti in some pots. They're a perfect holiday treat for anyone who doesn't have snow, or if you have snow and you really want the warm weather. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking the red subscribe button down by the channel name, or this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here is my newest video where we made some Taylor Swift inspired juice boxes to celebrate her birthday. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys next Thursday.